If your iPhone is running out of space or it's running a little slower than normal, it could be because the other storage is taking up a huge amount of space on your iPhone, causing it to lag or slow down. But the nice thing is we can clear up that other storage, and I'll show you exactly how to do so. The first thing we're going to do is tap on the Settings app on your iPhone. From here, tap on General, and then tap on iPhone Storage. This will show you all of the storage on your iPhone. You can see at the top it says Applications, Photos, Messages, and then there is System Data, aka Other Storage. And you can see it's taking up a lot of space on my phone. So let's help clear that up. Scroll down to the bottom and tap on System Data. On here, you can see it's taking up 22 gigabytes. It says system data includes caches, logs, and other resources currently in use. However, we can clear this up and help to reduce it. To do that, all we need to do is go back out of here to the beginning of your settings. Tap on search and we'll search for Safari. And tap on Safari. After you've done that, scroll down to the bottom. Tap on Advanced at the bottom and then Website Data at the top. You can see on here, Safari takes up a huge amount of the cache and logs. You can see 1.1 gigabyte worth of logs and cache data. All I need to do is hit Remove All Website Data. Keep in mind, when you do this, you're clearing out all those cookies, so you will need to re-sign in to any websites that you were logged into on your web browser. The next thing we're going to do is clear out the cache and temporary files in apps. So let's go back to the beginning of your settings, tap on General, and then tap on iPhone Storage. Essentially, that system data already told us that that includes system files as well as cached files within apps. So what you can do, for instance, is find any app that's taking up a lot of space. In this case, TikTok is taking up almost 1.5 gigabytes. But the app size is only 900 megabytes, whereas the documents and data, aka that other storage, is taking up almost 600 megabytes. To be able to reduce that, all we need to do is hit offload this app, and then wait a few seconds and hit reinstall app. By doing that, essentially what it will do is force update TikTok, but it will delete out all those cache and temporary files. You can see when it does update it and reinstall it, it will drop down. Instead of 1.5 gigabytes, it'll be significantly smaller. So again, just go through a lot of the apps that are the largest apps on your iPhone, offload them, and then immediately reinstall them. And again, by doing so, it will help free up space on your phone. Keep in mind, you can go through these and do it across all of the apps, but there's no one button to be able to do this for every single app. You do need to manually choose those apps. Now, the third thing that we're going to do to help remove that other storage is a force restart on your iPhone. It's pretty easy to do so. We're going to press the volume up, press the volume down, and then press and hold the power button until you see an Apple logo. So I'll show you how that works. Volume up, volume down, and then power button, and keep holding it again until you see the entire iPhone screen go black. And then eventually you'll see the Apple logo. When you do see that Apple logo, all you need to do is lift your finger up and you've done a force restart on that iPhone, clearing out a ton of that other or temporary storage. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video and it helped you free up space on your iPhone, I would greatly appreciate it if you take a second and consider subscribing to my channel, maybe liking this video, sharing it with a friend or two that might like this video as well. It really helps me be able to make these videos completely free for you. And thanks for watching.